guys, my name is Becca. I work at the Boys and Girls Club, as you can tell by my shirt, and I mainly work in the makerspace. In there we do a lot of crafts and art activities, but today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and walking you through a recipe for gnocchi. So this food is thought to come from northern Italy, and the word for gnocchi is thought to come from gnocca, which means knuckles, or noha, which means knot. And both words hint at what the gnocchi actually looks like. It's almost like a little Italian dumpling. And gnocchi are most famously made from potatoes. And these only really became popular after Spanish explorers went to South America and brought back potatoes to the rest of Europe and introduced it to so many countries, which then took the potato and made recipes of their own, gnocchi being one of them. But you can use a variety of different ingredients in your gnocchi, not just potato. And you'll see this in the ones that I make for you today. And everybody has their own special version of gnocchi, and everybody will claim to have the better recipe, but truth is they're all gonna taste good. And so today I'm gonna be showing you my recipe, which is fun, easy, simple to make, and delicious.
So all you need in making this recipe is some ricotta cheese, an egg, and flour. You can start by adding about 1.5 cups of ricotta cheese and then 1 egg to a bowl. Also, I put some Parmesan cheese just for some extra flavor. Then you're gonna wanna mix all the ingredients in the bowl until it is smooth. And let me tell you, this should be one of Dee's workouts because my arm was hurting after all this. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is sift about 1 cup of flour into your mixture. This just makes sure that the flour is nice and fine. And once you do that, you can stir everything together, and then you're gonna wanna knead it until it's not really sticky anymore. So the next thing I did was divide the dough into 4 sections, and then I rolled out each section like a snake, like this, and cut them into pieces about this big. So you can make your gnocchi whatever shape you want, whether it's just a little ball, little pillow, poke some holes or a dot in it, but this is the most traditional kind, and this is what I'll show you how to make. Pretty much all you do is take one of your pieces of dough and roll it down the back of the fork like that, which creates some nice ridges, which this sauce sticks to super nicely. Then you can cook them or just pop them in the freezer so that you can boil them whenever you want. I chose to make mine right away, so I dumped them into some boiling water, and they only take a couple minutes to cook. So once they float, you can shake them out, drain them, and serve it however you want. I chose some marinara sauce with some Parmesan cheese and some salt and pepper. Making homemade gnocchi is super fun and, as you can see, super delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try at home.